Okay, I'm gonna do some hairstyles to finish my makeup. I be trying to figure out how to completely turn off the filter because my phone does this thing where it does this like faded filter automatically. I don't know why. So every time I open my TikTok, that's what it's on. So I just found something that's closer to my the makeup I have on. If y'all didn't see that video, it's in the last clip. Okay, I like doing my hair up, down, sides. So in this video, I'm gonna show you some of the stuff I do with my braids. And for those of you who don't know, I have my YouTube link in my bio, and I zoomed in a little bit more. But I was sick with topical steroid withdrawal, and you can see all of that on my YouTube. And I had shaved off my hair. I had lots at the time, so I'm growing my hair back. So now I'm back to doing box braids, and I love them. I have a video where I was putting in these trinkets. I have like trinkets. I have beads on some of them, not all of them. Yeah, so I'm thinking what I want to do, but I usually just do like some up, some down. So let's see how much hairstyles I could get. I'll be lazy to do videos like this, but let's go ahead and get through it. So the first one I'm gonna do is the up and then down. So I like doing this. I got these bubbles from Amazon. Don't mind my pets. So yeah. And then I usually put the bubble in the back. So right. And then I could pull down this and this one. I got beads, so I gotta let it pass. So, right. I'm gonna push those back in. This is real time. Okay. You can either just let it hang like that, boom, real cute. Or I would pull these up. I'll leave them down. And now I'm gonna wrap the top. So how I do that is I'll take it, whatever's in here, and I will separate it into and kind of wrap it down like a twist. It's really long, so I wrap it all the way down, not all the way to the end though. And then you take it and you twist it. Y'all see me in this style in another video, I think. This is taking up a lot of time. Twist it. Right, and I usually just let those hang, right? And then just tuck my hair like this. This is from so let me tuck it in. Not that it's staying in or anything. See, isn't that cute? Oh, let's get this out of the way. That's cute. See, it'd be like this when I'm doing videos. I'll be wanting to keep my hair because I don't like having to redo it. But yeah, so this is the whole look for this style. So you can put your get to the front. Okay, so let's get to the next style. So for the second hairstyle, I decided to put it in two. And I'm pulling my hair through. I'm using rubber bands. And then I'm going to take this and try to wrap it. So let's see. So far I looped it once. And then when I flipped over the hair, I'm twisting it. I don't know why. I'm just going with the flow. Okay, that was an epic fail. So this is my second hairstyle. This one is a little bit too high, but you get the concept. I like this one. But I still want to do my hair high at it first. And now I'm going to try this other hairstyle I was thinking about when I was doing this hairstyle. But yeah, it's just cute. Got your toolbox. You got your side bang. I love my braids. Okay, so I'm basically doing a French braid and like pulling all the hair where it needs to go. But I'm not going to do my whole head. I'm kind of just doing the front part. So I'm going to pull this. The braider, the girl that has braids, doesn't know how to braid like that, okay? So if I could do this, you could do it too. Do I need any more? I don't think so. Well, yeah, over here, I don't want this down right here. I'm going to pull this up too. Ah, my mom's cracking. See, and then you kind of just go down the braid. I'm gonna finish it and come back. So yours could be done like this, but even better, you know, because there's a lot of braiders on here. And then you got your braid right here blending in with your other braids. And I put a bubble with mine because, again, I have charms, so I didn't want to go all the way to the end. Oh, I like this. This is cute. But I really want to do it in two. So, yeah. This is number 3. Like number tresa. Tres style. Okay. Okay, this one is where you roll it into each other, kind of like a barrel roll. I used to do this when I had locks. Pretty easy. Self-explanatory. This one just came out, so I'm just gonna leave it hanging. Maybe I should let some of them hang. Let's try to keep this out. I'll just put a bubble around it. TikTok is a place where you can have fun, so I'm just having fun. Okay, let's see this. I took the first piece like this, and then I took it under and twisted it, and then took what was here and twisted it, and then took a piece from here and twisted it, and then pull this up and twist it back, and then pull this, twist it, you know, and then pull from the back, twist, pull from the front. Oh, that one be okay. Twist, pull this in, twist, and reverse. Out the way. Do it better than me, guys. It's just an example. Okay, and basically, if you do it right, it's gonna be, of course, tighter, and it looks like this. No, you can't see my whole head, but you get the concept. And the last one I came up with was this, and I feel like you could do a French braid or like a twist on this one if you wanted to. I like twists. I do fishtail sometimes, like I could show you on this side. I don't have as much. You just split it and then kind of pull it over to each side. Wait. Split it. No, I'm not doing it. But yeah. So this is my last hairstyle. I thought it's going differently in my mind, but this is how it ended up. Hope you like it.